All right, thanks for joining me in another video again. This is not your usual cooking video. Today, I'm doing an unboxing video on the S9 Plus. Shout out to T-Mobile for getting it to me super early. And yeah, I just got it and I'm gonna do the unboxing on camera so you guys can see. All right, so let's go, pull it out. Thing there. Wow. Haven't even fully opened it yet, and this thing looks so elegant. So I got the purple one. Look at that. It's the first time Samsung has done this color. It looks really awesome just by looking at it. Let's check out the accessories we got. So it works with the same C port charger. Came with a few extra earbuds. And I guess they went back again with the AKG earphones. Not really a big fan of the AKG earphones, but I guess it serves a purpose. We got the connectors here, charger. All right, cool. Enough of that stuff. Let's get into the phone itself. We power it up. Go ahead and rip that plastic off too. Wow.
Hi there.
Whoa, hi there to you too. Yep, I want English. Don't skip the Wi-Fi for now. Today's the 13th at 9:27. And there's the name. I mean, you can just go ahead right now and subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right. Let's just skip that for now, or probably let's set up the fingerprint scanner, see how this works. So I'm gonna do a pin. Cool. And it's like, it's giving you the instructions to do everything. You can see the back, the fingerprint scanner is right there. I'm just gonna set that up real quick. Nice. We'll skip the Samsung account for now. I just want to get into the functionalities of the phone and everything. Now we're all done. Wow. And it even came with a purple background just for the purple outside. Oh my god, this is really decent. I gotta finish the updates and stuff later, but I just want to get into the camera. I heard they got a really cool slow-mo on the camera. Let's look at all the function. Look, super slow-mo. All right. And they got the food setting on there. So, you know, definitely I'll be using this to film all my videos now. I just think it works better. Let's check out all the settings. Well, let's go back to auto. And look at that. They got a new 4K setting with the 60 frames per second. So that's 4K at its highest quality. Come on, can't get better than that. So we got the camera in there, everything. What else is to learn about this phone? All right, cool. So I just got the first picture. I mean, this phone is pretty awesome. It just feels good in your hand. I mean, it looks similar to the S8, but it has a better design on the back, the dual cameras, fingerprints in a better position, and it's all about the color on this. Like, the color is really awesome. So yeah, stay around. I mean, you're gonna check out all the new videos I got coming out. I'll be shooting with this camera as of now on. So thanks for joining. Make sure you go subscribe to the YouTube channel at Chef Jabba. Like everything. You don't know anything said. My thing, fam. Peace.